If we take the example here, suppose I am writing here system.out. Okay, so simply I am printing here hello. So what will be the output? Hello, no, hello will be the output. So this is called as the statement, right? This is called as the statement, and here what we are learning today, that is the control statement. Okay, if you want to control the statement, means sometimes what we want to execute the statement after my condition will satisfy. Okay, if my condition will true, that time only it will execute. Sometimes I want to print the statement multiple times in loop, I want to print that. So that time we will use only the control statement. So there are many types of control statement, like selection statement, iteration statement, jump statement, like that. Okay, so selection statement also called as the conditional statement, also called as the decision making statement. Okay, another one is the iteration or the looping statement. Inside that we have a for loop, while loop, do while loop, like that, right? And we have another statement, that is the jump statement. Inside that we have break, continue, return, and go to. Okay, so today we will learn about the if else, if else if, and the nested if. Okay, so which we will learn tomorrow. So what is if? Okay, what is if? If we see the syntax, see, this is the syntax of our if else. Okay, so here we inside, firstly we will provide one if keyword. After that, inside that we will provide condition. If that condition will satisfy, this body will be execute. Okay, this body will be execute. We will try to execute this one. So suppose I want to print this one. Suppose I am writing here if, this is the this is the syntax of our if, right? And inside that, what we need to provide here, inside the parenthesis, condition. Can I write condition here? Yes.
Not condition.
We have to maintain the condition. No, we cannot write condition. Okay, so simply I am writing here int a equals to 10. Suppose I am writing here int a equals to, suppose 2 we are writing, or 2 or 3. Okay, and here simply I am writing a is greater than equals to greater than 10. We learned that, right? That is the which the what types of operator this is. See this, huh? Logical. Which one?
A greater than B is not possible.
Logical or relational? How many for the logical? How many for the relational? See here, this is the relational operator, right? We will check the relation between the variables and values, right? So here, this is the greater than, no, a is greater than 10. Okay, and simply we will write here system.out, and I am writing here a is greater than 10. Okay, so what will happen here? So suppose from where J we will start execution, from main method. So it will come here. After that, it will assign the 2 to the a. So what is the value of a here? 2, right? After that, 2 greater than 10. So it is true or false? 2 is greater than 10. It is false. False or true? False, no? Okay. Okay, so false. So here we are getting false. So it will come here or not? No, right? If this condition will satisfy, that time only it will execute this statement. Okay, if this condition will satisfy, that time only this condition will be executed. Otherwise, this condition will not execute. Now, if I print this one, means see, nothing is printing on the console. Suppose I am writing here 20 this time. Now check this one. 20 is greater than 10. Now condition is true or false? True. Okay, so condition is true. So where it will go? It will come to the if block and it will execute. A is greater than 10. Suppose I have run this one. See, so a is greater than 10 is printing. Means what we are doing here? We are checking the condition. We are controlling our statement. If this condition is true, that time only this statement will be print. If this condition will false, that time this condition will not print. So we are controlling our statement here, right? So suppose here our condition will this time false. Okay, this condition this time is false. So what we will do? What we will do here? 2 is greater than 10. Means condition is true or false? False. Nothing is print there. So for that we have another statement here, that is the else. Simple, we will write here else, and inside that whatever we want to write, we will write here system.out a is less than 10. Less than 10. Simple, right? Simple. Suppose what we are doing here, we are comparing the condition here. If that condition will true, then if block will be executed, right? And if that condition will false, then else block will be executed. Now we will try to run this one. This condition is true or false this time? False. If I run this one means A is less than 10 is printing. Means else block is executing this time because this condition is false. And suppose I am writing here 20 means see here. Okay, 20 is greater than 10. So condition is true or false this time? This condition is true. So where it will come into the E block and it will execute E is greater than 10. Easy. Okay. Anyone have any doubt till here? No. Okay. So here is the control statement. Okay. So this one is the control statement. Now we will see the some condition here. Okay. That we will learn now. So suppose I am writing here A is greater than equals to 10. Okay. After that add and A is less than. Now what will be the output? We will write simple here. Wait a moment. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. So 1 and 2 we are writing here. Shift here. Too much people today, no? That's why. Good morning. Okay, so this see the condition. Now see check the condition and tell me the result.
Statement 1 is executed.
1 or 2? Else block or E block? How many for the E block? We will not consider today both the side. Okay, you have to take one side only. So first block or second block? Second block. How many for the second block? Everyone. Okay, everyone for the second block. Okay, okay. So here see which sign is this?
And subline.
Logical or bitwise and? Logical and, right? So here first condition is A is greater than equals to 10. Inside the and what we are doing, multiplication or addition? Multiplication simply, right? So A is greater than equals to 10. So 10, what is the value of A here? 20 is greater than equals to 10, right? This is the condition. After that we have a AND block, and the another one is this 10 is less than 20. So first condition is true or false? Sorry. Sorry. Okay. What is the value of A? That is the 20 is less than 20. No? Okay. Sorry. You are excellent. Okay. Here, what is the condition then? First condition is true or false?
True.
First condition is true.
Yes.
True. Okay. First condition is true. After that, we have an AND block. Another one is false. Inside the AND block, what we are doing, and inside the AND operator, multiplication. So true means 1 and false means
0.
Okay. So 1 into 0, what we are getting? 0 means false. So this condition is false. If this condition will true, which block will be executed? Else block. No. If this condition is true, that time E block will be executed. If this condition is false means which block execute? Else block. So this time which block will be executed? Else block. So we are printing here. So 2 is printing on the console, right? We will take another one. Last example we will take here. Okay. So I will take another one here. I am just checking that you are forget all the things or not. See the condition. First one.
Yeah.
Check the condition. What is the value of A?
20.
What is the value of A? 20, right? So here we will check the condition. 20 is greater than equals to B. What is the value of B? 10. Okay. And we have a OR, right? Logical OR. After that we have a B. What is the value of B? 10. 10 is less than 20. So which condition will execute? Which is the true here and which is the false here?
Both are true.
Both are true. So it will be executed. If anyone will be false means suppose our condition is like that. So this time
Because that time also we execute first statement.
that time also
Yes, first statement.
first statement, right? How means why?
Both conditions should false only, it will give false condition.
Right. If anyone will be true means that time only it will execute true. So inside or what we are doing, that is the addition. That is the 0 plus 1 what we are getting 1, right? Means 0 plus 0 only we are getting the 0, right? That is the false we are getting false. So this is the logical or, right? Now we will take the one example, that is the real time example we will take. Right? Suppose we will take the example here, age. Age equals to 20 we are getting. Okay, here and I am writing here age is greater than equals to 18. And here I am writing. Okay. Now what will be the output?
Age is valid.
Age is valid. It will bring no. So what it will do? Firstly, it will check the condition. 20 is greater than equals to 18. Condition is true or false? True. So it will come here and it will print age is valid. Okay. So this is the if statement. This means this is the if else statement means whenever this condition will true, it will execute if blocks. Whenever this condition will false, it will execute else block, right? So for that means if we have one condition means we are using if else block. Suppose we have a multiple condition, okay? Suppose we have a multiple condition, that time what we will do? So simply we will use that time, that is the another one, that is the not the nested if, that is the else if. Okay, if else if we will use. So how we will write that? Simply we will come here, simply we will remove there, and here we will write else if, and here also we will write the another condition. Suppose I am writing here a. A is 20. We will write here A is greater than, A is greater than 0. I am writing. Okay. So if A is greater than 0 means it is a positive number. Simply we will write. Okay. And here A is less than 0 means it is a negative number. Okay. Positive number, negative number, and after that we will write simply else for the 0. Now what will be the output? See the condition. Positive number, no? So what it will do? It will check the condition. Now we are using the else if. So why we are using else if? When we have a multiple condition, when we have to check the multiple condition, that time we will use the else if condition. Okay, that time we will write the else if. So suppose we have a multiple condition, this is the first condition, this we have to write the another condition. If you want to write the another condition also, we can write else if here also. Okay, but now we don't want, so I am not writing here. Okay, so when we have the multiple condition, that time we will use the else if condition. If this condition will false, it will check to the this condition. If this both the condition will false, it will execute the else block. Okay, how it will go? If you want to see the workflow, so here I think power is gone. You have to wait now. We will continue after 15 minutes. Okay.